Here's how to remove reposts from Instagram in just a few steps. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. In the bottom right corner, tap on your profile picture. Now you'll notice a repost icon on your profile. Tap on it. Here you'll see all the posts you've reposted. Simply open any post. Tap on the repost icon from the side menu. And just like that repost is gone. Alternatively, you can tap and hold the post, and then tap on Delete Repost from the menu. This will also remove the repost completely. If you don't see the repost icon on your profile, here's another way to remove reposts. In the top right corner of your profile page, tap on the hamburger menu icon. Here, look for Your Activity and tap on it. And then select Reposts from the options. You'll find the list of all your reposts. Tap and hold on the post you want to delete. Then tap on the Delete option from the bottom. Confirm your action by selecting Delete from the pop-up as well. This will instantly delete that repost. And that's it.